I had a viewer, Kurt, suggest in my last pizza video I should try a pizza quesadilla on my flat top. I thought that was a good idea, and that's what this video is. It really turned out good. I think this might be my favorite way so far. Hope you enjoy it. This is for my son. It looks so good that I'm going to film me making mine. I'll be back. First thing we're going to do is put some pizza sauce down. Alright, now that we got that spread, we're going to put down some pepperoni. Some Italian sausage. We're just going to put that on the one side. You'll see why in a minute. I like a lot of meat in my pizzas. Some mozzarella cheese. Gonna put that on one side. We'll throw a touch of sharp cheddar on there. Garlic. Never have too much garlic, right, Tim? Mm-hmm. And then this is going to be some salt, pepper, vinegar. Or being salt, pepper, and garlic also.
Vinegar.
Yeah. Then we're going to fold this over like that. That's our enchilada. Check the temperature. Spread some butter out about the shape of the one for the cook. We'll look at it after about 3 minutes. Put the lid on, push the sides down a little. We'll be back. Flip this over. Move over so I can spread a little butter. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful golden brown. Hold on here. Sprinkle just a little bit of cheese across the top. Cheddar. Put the lid back on. About 3 minutes. Alright. Look underneath the bottom here too. Look at that. Looking good. Alright, this is our pizza enchilada. Ooh, do you hear that nice crunch? Mm-hmm. Oh. Look at that. Back up so I can get a bite here. This is our, I'm going to burn myself, but it's worth it. Oh my goodness. That is really good. You gotta try a bite, Tim.
Oh, that's so hot.
What do you think?
Mmm. That's good. Hot but good.
Mm-hmm. Well, there you go. That's my pizza on my flat top griddle. I hope you enjoyed it. When I start making something new, I usually will spend several days making different versions of it to get it just perfect, which is why I've put up a few videos like this over the last several days. But I think this might be the culmination of all my efforts. I really like this one. I can't stop eating it. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. Thanks for Kurgan. Kurgan approved. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.